Hi, I'm Preeti. I'm from Mumbai. So I've been having a very bad leg pain and cramping for last 8 to 10 months, and it started when I started with some strength training exercise in Zumba, and it began to become worse and worse with each passing day. I went to many doctors. Few of them said it is restless leg syndrome, for which I will need to take some medication and which has side effects and uh, certain other issues. And then few of them said deep tissue massage will help, and I did that, and which helped me for 1 or 2 days, and then again the pain would be back. And then it started cramping at night. So the whole night my leg would cramp, the calf muscles would cramp, and I was not able to sleep. So that was when the lockdown started, and Dr. Manoj from Physioactive started online consultation. I knew Dr. Manoj from when I was in Gurgaon. He has helped my son with certain leg issues. So I took an online consultation from him, and in the first consultation, he heard each and every one of my symptoms. He had so many questions about my symptoms: how long the pain lasted, what is the trigger, when is it the most severe, and he dissected each symptom. We spent almost, I think, 1.5 hours talking about the pain, and then he suggested some exercise and some supplements. He said he did not give me a diagnosis. He said he wants to eliminate certain uh, reasons. So and he said he would meet me again after a week. So I followed the instructions to a T, and I did everything he asked. And after a week, when I met him online again, my night cramps had completely gone, which was a huge relief for me because it was keeping me awake, and that would disturb my whole cycle. The next morning I used to wake up very, very tired. So the night cramps had vanished, and I was really, really happy with it. But yes, my pain was still there throughout the day. I was in pain. So we again discussed, and then he finally gave me certain exercises, some supplements, and he asked me to include certain food in my diet on a regular basis. And he gave me another week's time, and I think we met after 10 days. And when I met him for the second time, it was absolutely pain free. It was magic. I couldn't remember a time when my leg was like this. No pain. I could go about doing all my stuff, all my exercise. My only worry was that he would ask me to stop the exercise because it was really helping me with my weight issue. So, but he said continue with it and do all the stuff, which I did, and it was absolutely pain free after 2 weeks. So I really want to thank Dr. Manoj and Physioactive for this wonderful consultation and suggestions. And I'm even more thankful because there were absolutely no medicines involved, no painkillers, no steroids, nothing involved, and it really, really helped me. Thank you so much, Dr. Manoj.